In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and today I would like to show you how you can use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard. Then you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it right away, tap on it at the top of your keyboard. If you want to paste it later on, click on this clipboard icon at the top of your keyboard again, and this time click on your text over here. In order to pin it, use this pin icon at the top right corner. Select your sentence or text that you copied and hit done, also at the top right corner. You can unpin it the same way. If you want to delete it, tap on pin icon instead of a pin one. Select your sentence and confirm your choice by hitting delete at the top right corner and selecting delete in this pop-up. If you want to go back to standard keyboard, use this keyboard icon at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!